Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to crop a video in DaVinci Resolve. So I already have a video in my timeline. I'm gonna add another one. So you can see this. There are two videos. One is layered over the another one. If I want to show this footage and also the one in the back, I'll crop. To crop the video you want, click on the video and then click on this drop down icon and click on crop, and then you can use these dots to resize this video. Okay, let's see how does it look. That's good, and you can add further effects on this video afterward.